Here we go. So this is 10.4, multiplying, dividing, simplifying with fractions. Um, this text here is really how you do it all. So you can just read that and then you can do everything. Those are the instructions. But you can read that on your own. I can do some examples. So when you're multiplying, just go straight across. It's pretty straightforward. Um, so it's 2 times 7 is 14. 4 times 10 is 40. And you reduce it. So that's going to be what, 7 and 20. And I don't think it reduces any further than that. So 7 over 20. It's not refreshing on this screen. Here, let's do this. I wonder if it's because am I on the copy? Wait. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so over here in the next one, you have 2x times 3 is 6x, and then 4 times 5 is 20, and that's 20y. So the x and the y don't reduce. 6 over 20, what, half of 6 is 3, half of 20 is 10, and I think that's as far as it goes. So 3x over 10y is the answer here.
So it's like everything multiply and divide by 2 because you reduce.
Yes.
Okay.
You multiply straight across and then you reduce whatever you can reduce. It gets a little bit different when you do the division. So division has just one extra step. So for the division, you leave this one, so 2 over 4, and I'm going to change it to multiply. And then I'm going to flip this. So there's just one extra step, and then it's just like the previous one. So 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. And then that reduces. It's 4. 4 is a factor, I think. So 5 over 7. All right, 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 4 is 20. Yep. Okay, so first thing I do, leave this one alone. 2x over 4. Change this to multiply. Flip this one over. 5y. 3 here.
Sorry.
Yeah.
In this you reduce by 4 now.
Yes.
So we reduce or what is the rule?
You divide. So over here, you divide both of them by 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. And then 28 divided by 4 is 7.
Yeah, but why do 4?
Because it's faster than doing 2. If you did, you could do 2. So like,
Yeah, my question.
yeah, if you do 20 over 28, you can divide this by 2.
Yeah.
And then you have 10 over 14. And then you divide it by 2 again, and it's 5 over 7.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
So it's, yeah, it's the same thing.
So I need to reduce more and more and more and more.
Yeah.
And point I can do more.
Right.
Ah, okay. I got you.
Yeah. Good question. So 2 times 5 is 10. Then x times y is just going to be xy. You don't have to do anything else with that. 4 times 3 is 12. So again, here these reduce to 5 over 6, and then xy stay there. So that's the basic part. You just you multiply straight across, or you flip it and go straight across. So when you have variables like this, so these last two examples here at the bottom, so this one, let's flip it. 4 divided by 9y times x plus 8 divided by 2y. I took this one from your assignment. You have one in your assignment that's very similar to this one. So here's what it'll do. It's going to be 4x plus 8 divided by 18y squared. And then it does reduce. Does this fit? I'm going to move over this way. So that's going to be 2x plus 8 divided by 9y squared. And then to finish it up, you'll distribute this. So this is where the steps get a little bit longer. 16. Morning. 9y squared. Okay, last one. This one has more things in it. Yes, this is the final answer. Because it doesn't reduce any further. Okay, last one.
I don't think I got what you did.
Where?
Okay, so you had 4 over 9y divided by 2y over x plus 8. And then you flip the other one.
Yes.
But why did you move the 9y and the 2y? Wait,
Oh, because it was 9 times 2 is 18. And then y times y is y squared.
okay, so, okay, but on the bottom, you have 9y.
Yeah,
So the
because
part that says 4 and then parentheses x plus 8,
yeah,
that's a part of that equation as well.
right.
That's the part I'm confused on.
Yeah, so from here to here, 4 over 18, it reduces to 2 over 9. Oh, wait, you can't see that.
Well, why did you put x plus 8 on the left side as well?
Because it didn't go anywhere. Like there's nothing at the bottom here that can reduce this x plus 8.
Wait, 4 over.
Yeah, here's the breakdown. Let me show you. So I'm going to take this one again. It's 4x plus 8 divided by 18y squared. And then I'm going to make this 2 times 2 times x plus 8. Right, 2 times 2 is 4, right?
Mhm.
And then down here, I'm going to do 2 and 9. And then let me do that, y squared. So these are the same thing, right? Because at the bottom, 2, 9 is 18, y squared is there. at the top 2 and 2. So what happens is these 2's can cancel out. And so what that leaves me with here is 2x plus 8, and then down here 9y squared. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
So the part with the, okay, so I got the part with the 4/9y.
4 and 9y right here.
So you just multiply that one straight across?
Yeah. Yep. Because
Oh,
this
okay,
and
okay,
this
yeah,
is
you
that.
flipped it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that's how you got the x plus 8. Okay. Where did the 2 come from?
This 2?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's just there.
I'm confused again.
Oh, this 2?
Yes.
That's this here. So 4 is 2 times 2. 18 is 2 times 9. So I can cancel those 2's out, and then it's just left with the 2 here.
It's only because the teacher only reduce like another rule is it reduce. For example.
Okay, so just get it small. Get it
Yeah.
small.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
I think I got it. I think I got it.
yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay. A lot of information here. Who's going to work this last one out so you have the example? You can look back at it later. So here's what we've got. It's 4x to the 5th times x times y to the 3rd. So I'm just multiplying straight across. Down here at the bottom, it's y to the 2 and 6 to the x. So first thing let's do, let's organize this. So at the top, it's 4, and that's x to the 5th and x to the 6th, x to the 1. So that means there's 6 of them. And then the y, there's 3 of them. So what I just did, I just combined these two. Those 2 went together.
Oh, okay.
And then down here, I'm going to move this 6 over here. So 6x y to the 2. So I did multiplied, and then I rearranged just to make it look a little bit nicer. 4 over 6 reduces to 2 over 3. X to the 6, y to the 3, x, y to the 2.
Um, okay, so um, at the top, like you did the 4x and then the x, y. Basically, you broke it. You broke it apart at the top.
Well, at the top, I combined it because this is
I
like
can't see.
is this is this part, and then this is this part.
And then you okay, so the fraction on the left is like x and y were already being multiplied and left on the fraction.
In the left part. Yeah.
Then you came over there and broke it apart, and then you combine the x's, and then you switch 6x and y to.
Yeah, just so they're in the same order.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because like if you do 2 times 5, that's the same thing as 5 times 2. It doesn't matter.
Okay, but what is the okay, so on the bottom after the 4x6 y cubed, after that fraction, the 2x6 and the y3, how'd you get 2x?
Yeah. Mr. Howe? Hey, you well? Yeah. This one, and I'll run it again more like broken up. So from here, you can start canceling out variables. So that's going to be 2 and then x, y, and the ones at the bottom cancel out because it's 6 minus 1 and then 3 minus 2. So this ends up being your answer. And let me do this. Break it up more. Okay, so let's go from here. You have 4 over 6. Then you have x to the 6 over x. And then you have y to the 3rd over y squared. To make it even more simple looking, you can do it like this: 4 over 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 down here. And there's 3 y's, and then there's 2 y's. So this is how simplification works. 4 divided by 6, it's the same thing as 2 divided by 3. For this one, these cancel out. So you're just left with 5 x's.
But you didn't have 5x on the left side.
5x on the left side.
On the earlier back before you moved to the.
Oh, right.
Okay, that confused me.
Sorry.
Okay, so you just subtracted for those. Okay, I think I got it then.
Yeah.
I was like, how'd you end up? I was like, how'd you end up with 1x?
And then 2 minus 3 minus 2 is that. So that's the same answer. Yeah, it's the same.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure this time.
Put it up.
That's a 5. Wow.
Let's stop this video.